This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the fundamentals before adding a card. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and that Face ID or Touch ID plus a passcode are active. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus button to begin, choose credit or debit, and use the camera or enter details manually. You'll be prompted to accept terms and verify with your bank. Do this now so Wallet can securely store and prepare the card for tap to pay. After adding card details, Wallet asks for verification to link the card to Apple Pay. Banks usually offer SMS code, in-app approval, or a quick call. Provide the verification code and wait for confirmation. Once verified, make this card the default if you use it often by tapping and holding, then selecting Make Default. If you have an Apple Watch, open the Watch app and mirror the card so you can pay from wrist. This step keeps devices synchronized and ready. When you're ready to pay in store, double-click the side button or use Home button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, then hold the iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark. For transit or in-app purchases, select the card before tapping Pay. If something goes wrong, make sure NFC is active, restart the phone, or remove and re-add the card. If charges look wrong, check Wallet transaction history and contact your bank promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.